Hey everyone, welcome back. And today it is my turn. Usually Chris is getting his Stitch Fix boxes, but this week I have opted for the FabFitFun box. I think most people have heard of these boxes. This is my first. I'm pretty excited about this. I feel like I'm a skeptic, and so I watch people do the unboxings, and it's mostly like celebrities or famous people, and they're getting paid to like the products. So I wanted to see if they were really all they were cracked up to be and what they would send just, you know, somebody regular. Let's see, came in the box. I will tell you, I actually got a starter pack coupon from my sister. So I paid $5 for a starter pack box. It was free, just paid for shipping. Never came. So yet to see that one, FabFitFun. So not sure, but I guess I subscribed when I did that, and so this one came. We'll see if they redeem themselves with this one. It is the editor's box. Let's see here. Y'all know I love packaging, so it's a really cute package. Recycle me or turn me into a DIY. Yeah, that's going in the recycle bin. So, all right. All right, so that's kind of pretty. It's very springish, summerish. So we have little, oh, maybe this is a starter box. Who knew? I don't, it says starter box on the magazine there, so we'll see. Little FabFitFun magazine and a note from us. So all about bringing you the best of the best. I'm pretty excited. I don't know what to expect, but I could certainly, in this time of the Rona that we're living in, use some fingernail stuff. I love to try new face products, so we'll see. Looks like there's gonna be some cute stuff. It says, what's in the box? Total retail value, $136. So looks like I'm gonna have some fun things here. So let's get started. So maybe this is the starter box, if that's what it said. It says the editor's box, so we'll see. All right, so first things first, we have some thirsty hands because my hands are thirsty. So super hydrating hand mask. I guess I am at the age where this is actually pretty appealing. For tired and dry skin, definitely have both of those. And if I've seen the other boxes and I know a little bit about this, I believe this is a 2-pack, meaning like there's not just 2 gloves, because it would be kind of silly for them to just send you one. I'm pretty sure it comes with like 2 double packs. So I believe that's correct. Look at there, see, 2 packs, and each has one for each hand. So I have to give those a shot. They look nice and pretty, pink with the palm trees. Those will be fun. And what have we got here? Skin and Company Truffle Therapy. Never tried truffles on my face. Tried them in my belly. Do you love me some truffle oil? So I guess if it is as pleasant to put on my face as toner as it is to taste, I will be thrilled. It's a Truffle Therapy Essential Face Toner. Like I said, I like face products, so that should be good. Okay, that does smell good. I bought some Beauty Counter resurfacing pill the other day. It's fantastic. Should have done a review of that, but it smells like rotten. It smells like kimchi. You ever smelled that? That's what it smells like. So try going to bed with kimchi rubbed all over your face. That's about what it smells like. It wakes you up in the middle of the night. Maybe a little toner over it would help. So, because that smells really nice. Okay, I'm excited to try that. Let's see, Ish Lip Duo. I have heard of Ish. I have never tried any Ish products. We'll see. I'll try anything once. Looks like some lipstick and some liner, which I did need some liner, and that's in the color of when you have to pull out your bifocals to read your lip liner and your lipstick names, it's probably time for some thirsty hands as well. So Luster? Hydra Gloss Luster. What does this one say? Plump and hydrate your lips with this dynamic duo, which is packed with ingredients like shea butter and jojoba. Oh, I don't know what that, jojoba oil. Ladies, I'm from Alabama, born and raised, grew up in Georgia in high school and college, so I don't know what the jojoba oil, how you pronounce that. Yeah, okay. Did I do that wrong? Okay, what is happening? Oh. Wow, okay, so I thought it was lipstick, but apparently I did that all wrong. Okay, so don't be like me, or you break it. So, okay, let's try this. So it's not lipstick, it's lip gloss. So that's great, let's see. It's just a real soft pink, a real natural pink. So that's gonna be pretty. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not buying into this new trend. Ooh, that's really pretty. What is that one? This is the same Luster Kiss. This is called Kiss. So we got Kiss and Luster. Sounds like a very fun night. Okay, so that is quite pretty. I actually do really like that. As I was saying, I'm not getting on this bandwagon of where we're doing away with the little thing that, you know, that little crease on your lip. I'm seeing way too many people just forget that that's there. So it's there. And just rubbing something across it doesn't make it disappear. So I'm not all about that trend. I wasn't about the really tiny eyebrow trend either, or the really thick eyebrow trend. Just like some classic eyebrows and some classic lipstick liner. So that I'm excited about. Okay, what is this? A blanket scarf. Vintage inspired. Let's see. Olive and Peak Lola scarf in charcoal. Stay cozy and stylish in this chic scarf. Now this scarf retails for $84. I guess I should tell y'all this. Oh wait, I'm smoking, hashtag I'm smoking hot. So if you wanted to tag yourself in an ish product, you could tag yourself with hashtag I'm smoking hot. Probably not gonna do that, but that retails for $10. That's nice. This retails for $26. So really good. And then $16. So this particular scarf retails for $84. And okay, so there's only 4 products in here. So this has to be the starter box. That would just make sense. Oh, I don't think that was important. Okay, so this is a really pretty color. I love the stitching on it. I will tell you, I'm not the best person to try out blanket scarves. I have a blanket scarf that's sitting on my front porch swing because I don't know how to use it personally. Oh, microphone. So I don't watch enough of these videos. So what you're getting is very raw. It's not planned or practiced. So I think, and this is probably going to mess up the microphone, so I'll try not to talk too much, but you can. All right, look good. Like a blanket scarf. So now I'm smoking hot. So yeah, now I'm smoking hot. Seriously, that is a very warm scarf. So I really could do the hashtag I'm smoking hot. Whew. Okay, well, that's nice. That is very nice. Okay, I like that. That's really good. I really do like that. So we've got some good retail. I will tell you, I'm very excited. Oh, losing the scarf. That is something I'm sure I can get on board with when it's a little cooler and not 92 degrees. Still a very nice scarf. I don't think that I'd ever pay $84 for it, But me and a couple of my girlfriends have a bet going on about these boxes. One of them says she is doing the starter box and then she's quitting because she would rather spend her money on things that she knows she likes. Me and my other friend are all for giving it a try because we love surprises, and it's like somebody sending us a gift in the mail. And plus I have 4 kids, so very rarely would I go out and buy, you know, hand gloves for myself. So I would never probably try things unless I knew for sure if I liked them. I have a hard time trying new products unless I like really think that I would like them. So this is the kind of stuff that I enjoy getting because I probably would never go out and buy truffle oil or truffle toner. So, but I will definitely give it a try now. All right, that's all that was in the box. Like I said, I'm pretty sure that one must be the starter box since there's only 4. And I believe these are considered for like full price items, like large items. So you've got your Thirsty Hands, you've got your Ish lip liners, you got your face toners, and your little magazines, and your little charcoal scarf. And those are your items in the starter box. Like I said, I would definitely pay $5 for it, which is what I paid. I think that's an incredible deal. I think this is a great package to just get and try it out and see if it's something you'd be interested in. And like I said, for $5, I would do that over and over again. So like I said, I do have another one coming, I think, that is the full price box, the full size box. So I believe it has 8 items in it. So I'll be looking for that and we'll do another one of these then. Thanks for tuning in.